Hello everybody, I am Ilaria, I am 25 years old, I am come from Belgium. I am currently working for an event agency in St. Petersburg. So here it's more about creating new concepts, looking for new ideas, new shows, new artists. I like this job here because I can really deeply work on my creativity because it's a very important task in PR and event field. And what I like the most is seeing the final, when an event takes place. So I had the chance to participate to very beautiful event. For example, I remember a kids party in Four Seasons. It's a wonderful palace in St. Petersburg, and the theme was Alice in Wonderland. It was like completely crazy, all the costumes, all the decoration. Kids really enjoyed the event and I enjoyed. I think I will take everything that I've learned and everything that I have lived here as a background, has a plus for my future job in Belgium, because of course I think then I will come back soon in Belgium and hopefully I will find a job